So you came across Straight Teeth Direct and aligners at home. And you might be thinking, too good to be true, right? So here I'm gonna answer 3 common questions about getting straight teeth at home. So the first obvious question is, does it work? Getting straight teeth at home, normally you would have to go to a dentist or an orthodontist for that. So how does it work at home? Clinics around the world are using aligners to treat patients. Actually, in 2017, over 10 million people got braces in the world and 1 million of them were using aligners. And to give you the complete reassurance that yes, it works, Straight Teeth Direct is actually the only aligner brand in the world to guarantee results or money back. The one thing that you will have to get involved with is taking your own impressions. Everything else is supervised by your own assigned orthodontist, and instead of going to the clinic every month for your appointments and show your teeth, you will do that through photographs through your password protected account. So the treatment itself and the journey is the same, you're just getting a much nicer experience at home. You have your impressions and evaluations guarantee. You have the guarantee that if you lose or break your aligners, you'll get a replacement. You have the guarantee that you'll achieve results or you'll get your money back. And you can also join the membership at the end for the Straight Teeth for Life guarantee. Then the second thing you might be wondering about is, why is it so much cheaper? It sounds a bit fishy, right? Actually, the reason is very simple. Straight Teeth Direct has managed to reduce the cost by up to 70% for you by securing a bulk discount from the lab, and also by having everything done remotely, so your dentist can monitor you through their phone or computer whenever convenient for them. And the last question is, I'm gonna pay for all this, but how about support? If I have a question, how long would it take until I get an answer? The benefit with this solution is that you can get supervised by an European orthodontist pretty much wherever you are. But then you might be wondering, what about local support? If you have a question, how fast is it going to take for you to get your answer? For all the questions to do with the process and shipping, you will have access to customer service support. And this is pretty much available all the time. So if you have a question, you should expect to receive an answer on the same day. And if you have a clinical question to do with your treatment, you'll also be able to chat directly with your assigned dentist through the messages on the app. So don't worry, you have the reassurance that this concept has been designed by dental experts and you will be supervised throughout your journey. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon on Straight Teeth TV and straightteethdirect.com.